Most photographers use one tool to cull, another to edit, and another to export, and then a completely separate platform to deliver. What if you could go from raw files to a finished client gallery without ever leaving Aftershoot? In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to go from a fresh memory card to a delivered client gallery entirely inside of Aftershoot. One app, one workflow, one click to deliver. Let's start where every shoot starts, with your raw files. Open Aftershoot and create a new album. Import your raw files directly and you'll have access to everything: culling, editing, and retouching all in one place. Head to the Cull tab. Aftershoot's AI will analyze your images and group them by similarity, helping you quickly identify your best shots. You can filter by ratings, color labels, or camera body, whatever fits how you work. Select your keepers and move on. What would normally take an hour or more takes minutes. Now you'll switch to the Edit tab. Choose your AI profile. This tells Aftershoot how to edit in your style. Click Start Editing, and Aftershoot applies consistent, style-matched edits across your entire selection, adapting to each image's lighting and exposure. Review results, fine-tune anything you need, and you're done. If your shoot needs retouching, head to the Retouch tab. Handle your skin retouching and your final polish right here. No need to round trip to another application. Once you're happy with your images, you're ready for the best part. Here's where Aftershoot changes the game. From the Cull tab, the Edit tab, or the Retouch tab, wherever you are in your workflow, you'll see a button to create your gallery. Click it, and that's it. You land directly on Aftershoot Gallery's platform with your images ready to go. No exporting, no downloading files to a folder, no re-uploading to a separate service. One click, and you're looking at your client gallery. Once you're inside galleries, you can organize your images into sets like reception, ceremony, or portraits so your clients can navigate comfortably. Set a cover photo by clicking on the three-dot menu on any image and selecting Set as Cover. And if you want to customize your branding, your subdomain, logo, favicon, and watermark, head into Settings. Before you share, set up your download controls. In the Settings, go to the Download tab, enable a download PIN, a 4-digit code that controls who can actually download your images. This is separate from any album password. And toggle on High Quality Download on or off, depending on whether you want the clients to get full resolution files or lower resolution versions. Click the blue Share button in the top right corner. Quick Link gives you a URL you can copy and send anywhere. The QR code is perfect for an in-person handoff, and email lets you send a polished invitation directly from Aftershoot with a custom subject line, message, and saved templates. Your gallery is live and your client has it, and you're all done. Let's step back for a second. You imported your raw files, culled your selects, edited it in your style, retouched where needed, hit one button, and your client gallery was ready. No 5-tool workflow, no export, upload, organize cycle, no separate subscription for delivery, just one app, start to finish. Here's the full workflow. Import your raw files, cull your selects, edit with your AI profile, retouch if needed, click one button to create your gallery, organize and customize, configure your download settings, and share with your client. If you're still stitching multiple tools together to deliver a single shoot, try the full Aftershoot workflow. From edit to delivery, one app, one click, start for free, and see how fast your next shoot can be.